I'm pulling into work, and when I do come to work, I usually give the seagulls some food to try and make some creature happy in this miserable world. And they know my car, so they should start to follow me now. See? Yay, there they go. Yeah, they're going to follow me to where I usually jump the food off. Sometimes they get there ahead of me. I'll be right there, guys. It's a tough life for a bird in the winter. Do what I can. I don't feed them in the parking lot because I don't want to get in trouble for bird crap on the car. But I come to a nice little spot here where I usually dump their food. And they wait for me. And I usually have a big bucket of food for them. Alright guys, you ready to eat? Okay, hang on. There you go. Alright, see ya. Tomorrow. Okay, I made some creature happy today. Life is good.